Hey, what's going on everyone? Misha Wilson here and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I have something incredibly special planned for you where I'm actually going to be showing you a recording from one of our live events. This is an event where people paid hundreds of dollars to attend, literally thousands of dollars when it comes to the flights and the hotels and all that jazz. You're going to get the recording of this specific segment completely and totally free, and contained within, you're going to discover the stages of growth from, an affiliate marketer all the way up to being an actual information marketer, the various sales processes that you need to focus on, the follow-up sequences that you need to focus on, every single step of growth, what it'll look like in your journey so that you can know what to expect, so you can know which levers to pull, and so ultimately, so you can know how to grow your business, how to do it more profitably, and what the overall journey looks like. So I'm incredibly, excited to go ahead and share this. Please, as always, if you get value out of this video, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below what your biggest takeaway is. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
This next 60 minutes, if you pay close attention and you lock in and really focus in on what Misha's going to teach you, will be a pivotal 60 minutes, not just in your business, but in the future of your professional life as an entrepreneur. Fair enough? Yeah. Are you guys pumped and ready? Yeah. You ready for some Misha Wilson action? Yeah. Then get up and get on your feet, get loud for the man of the hour, Mr. Misha Wilson.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house.
How's everyone doing? We all make it back in the room tonight after the drinks last night? Do we have any stragglers? Looks like everyone's here. Awesome. So who here has gotten at least one aha moment from this event so far? Yep, awesome. That's what we're shooting for. And again, at every event I go to, if I get one aha moment, I know the investment was worth my time and finances in getting to that event. And many of you have already had that aha moment, and it's only the very beginning of day 2 now, and we're just getting started. So once again, congratulations on getting yourself out of bed, probably with a little bit of alcohol in your system, and showing up here and tuning in. And I have a presentation here that I share with most of our events, and really something I want to go over and have you internalize when you look at kind of where you're at in the journey and where you need to go next in order to get to the next level in your business. And really what I'm going to be sharing here today, like JT mentioned a moment ago, is the evolution of $1 million business. Now, income disclosure disclaimer everywhere once again. This does not mean you're going to make $1 million. This does not mean you're going to make anything whatsoever. I don't know if you're going to do anything whatsoever. But again, what I'm sharing with you here is what I've seen people in the industry execute upon in order to go from one stage of growth to the next to the next. And the hook for this event was obviously $0 to $10,000 per month. What would you do, right? And I'm going to go one better than that. I'm going to share with you what I would do if I had to go from 0 and rebuild to $1 million business, and the different stages that I would go ahead and go through in order to get there. And then I'll share with you the first things I would do to go from 0 to $10,000 per month. So the 4 stages, and some of you, once again, might have seen this already. Tune in, don't tell yourself, I already know this information, pay attention, because once again, something that you'll pick up on today at this event will be drastically different than what you picked up on last event based on where you're at. I was actually talking with David last night, and David said, this was like a foreign language to me at the last Arizona event. I'm learning the same stuff at this event, a few of the same lessons, but I get it now, I understand it now. So if you've gone ahead and gone through this training, pay attention, because I guarantee you if you do, you will pick up on something of value here. So stage 1, and this is in the context of affiliate marketing, is when you're solely leveraging other people's systems and funnels, and you don't have control over anything yourself. All right? Now, this is what a lot of people start with. This is where people should start. And like Fernie mentioned yesterday, the only thing that you take control of is the ad in this process. And as I go through this, I want you to be aware and I want you to keep top of mind why you're actually running this business, why you're actually doing it, the reason behind why you want to go through the stages of growth. Because you'll see, and Keisha will touch on your why in a little bit here, but you'll see that as you go up the different stages, it will take you putting in effort and energy on a daily basis. So keep that front of mind. But stage 1 is when you're solely leveraging other people's systems. Stage 2 is when you've taken control and have one highly customized sales funnel that's generating leads profitably for you as an affiliate, but you're still selling other people's products and services. So at this point, you've taken control of a lead generation process, you have a lead generation funnel, you're generating leads, you're doing it profitably, you have it optimized, but you're still selling other people's products and services. Stage 3 is when you've taken control over all 3 of your highest impact sales funnels, but once again, you're still selling other people's products and services. So you have the 3 highest impact sales funnels working together, but you're still selling other people's services. And stage 4, which is the final stage, is you've taken control of the entire sales process and you're selling your own unique products and services as solutions to problems in the marketplace. So those are the 4 stages. And did you guys get value? Is that good? Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you at the next presentation. Yeah. No, I'll break them down. So let's go ahead and run through them. A little warning. I usually have 3 days to get through really kind of building out all these funnels with our intensive students. And I'm going to run through them very quickly here in just about 55 minutes and 11 seconds. And so pay attention, tune in, but get ready to kind of drink through a fire hose. It's completely and totally fine. And once again, you'll pick up what you need to pick up based on setting your intention at the beginning of this event. Now I have a question for you. Who here wants to learn how to get unlimited traffic for life? Does that sound good? Awesome. The number 1 question I get asked most often from people is, Misha, how the hell do I get traffic? What's the secret? What's the one source of traffic? How can I get traffic that actually converts? And the truth is that traffic isn't the actual problem. It's a symptom of the core problem. The core problem usually is that people don't have the correct sales process in place. Once you have the correct sales process, you can go out, spend $1 on traffic, get website visitors, make more than $1 back on the back end, and then continue to rinse and repeat and scale your business. Your sales process is your single most valuable asset, and you should be spending most of your time optimizing your sales process instead of focusing on how to get traffic, how to get higher quality, cheaper, better, whatever it may be, kind of traffic. All right, so the sales process is what I'm going to touch on here today. And really the first 2 stages I'm going to touch on are stage 2 and stage 3 of the stages of growth. And this is what it looks like. We have a super affiliate opt-in funnel, a super affiliate webinar campaign, and multi-channel follow-up in place. When you have all of these different pieces of the puzzle in place, you will have successfully gone from stage 1 to stage 2 to stage 3. If, of course, you set these up correctly and if they convert the way they should in order to get the outcome that you want. And obviously, as a byproduct of all of these different funnels and sales processes, you will make sales. So let's go ahead and run through each of the various sales funnels. Sales funnel number 1 is the super affiliate opt-in funnel. Now, who here was at the workshop? Does this look a little bit familiar? Yes. This is the funnel that we ran through at the workshop. And again, you guys should have headlines, copy for your bridge pages done, and you guys should be able to get up here and teach this.